Hello everyone, welcome to Prissy Mallus. Today we are going to fix the action trampoline from Aldi, and we got this for $149. So let's see how we can fix this. So we have just opened the pack now, and these are the parts that we got along with the trampoline, and we need to fix or assemble the trampoline now. So let's see how we are going to assemble the trampoline. So just place all the semicircle ones next to each other and just make a circle. We're not fitting it now, just making sure that we have got all the pieces. So these are individual pieces, and we just made a circle out of it, just keeping it aside just to make sure that we have got all the pieces. We need to fit those now. So connect all these pieces together to make a big circle. Now you have to place those legs onto it. So these are the legs basically. You'll have three and put them against those places where you have that. Now lay the mat inside the trampoline. You have to put springs onto it now. The double stitch should be facing towards the ground. So these are the set of springs that you will get along with this trampoline set. We'll have to now put these springs onto the trampoline, onto the mat basically. So you will have to put the narrow end onto the mat and the wide onto the trampoline steel. Just make sure that you have both the ends done at the same time so that it holds. The opposite ends needs to be done at the same time. So if you look, it should go something like this. Something like this. So you get this along with the parts. This is what is used to put those springs into the trampoline. Just pull using this and it will be easier. So make sure that you have this and use this when you're putting the springs into the trampoline. So this is the frame pad, and just make sure that all the strings should be facing towards the ground, downwards. So just like this.
And then rehook.
And there's a couple of hooks in here, and this hook should be going in here. So just find the hook and just make sure that you stretch the hook and connect it to the nearest one. Just don't forget to stretch the hook. It shouldn't be on to the next one, but just stretch it and make sure you connect it to the one that's closest. Now we have to fix these two enclosure poles. Just make sure that one will have a head and the other would not have. So the one just that's have a pin on it, just make sure that you fix it. You fix it, the pin, and the other doesn't have a head, and this one has a head. Just put that pole yep, so you have to put that onto the trampoline. Then just put the sleeve, and now take the net and you have to place it on the top. But before you do that, just make sure that where you want the door to be, just align it accordingly and then place it onto the tops. So just put this thing onto the top. Make sure where you want the door. Okay, now you will have to make sure that there are clips at the on the bottom, and so you have to make sure that those are clipped. You have to cross it so the left goes to the right and the right goes to the left, and don't stretch it too much. Just pin it to the nearest one, but make sure that you cross it. So we have now assembled the trampoline. This is how the trampoline looks. This is the entrance. This is where you get in. All these sleeves have been put. Everything is tightly fixed. Just please adhere to all the instructions provided. The maximum kg is 80 kg, one person at a time. And this looks really good, and the kids cannot wait to play on it. So thanks for watching Brissima Loose. For more videos, please like and subscribe and share these videos for anyone who wants to build the trampoline or assemble the trampoline. Thanks everyone. See you next time with another video. Thank you.